How to add a card on your Apple Wallet or Apple Pay. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can add a card to your Apple Pay or your Apple Wallet. So to do that, first of all, go to your settings. After that, scroll down until you see the option Wallet. Simply tap on it and then you'll see the option called Add Card, which is right over here. Simply tap on the option. After that, if you have any previously used cards, it will simply show up over here. Now if you don't, it will simply ask you to enter the card number, the expiry date and the CVV of your card. Now once you've entered all of those, tap on the option continue. After that, as you can see, it is again asking me to enter the security code of my card, which is the CVV. You'll find this on the back side of your card, so simply enter it. Now tap on the option next. And now you'll be taken to the terms and conditions page where you'll have to simply scroll down and then tap on the option agree. Now you'll have to verify your card for Apple Pay, so you can simply verify it through the app or you can simply call the bank. So I'll simply verify it using my Scotiabank app. So I'll tap on the option next, and then once I tap on the option verify, it will directly redirect me to my Scotiabank app where you'll have to simply enter your 4-digit PIN. And once you've done that, once you tap on the option continue, you'll have successfully verified your card for Apple Pay or Apple Wallet. So as you can see, my Scotia Scene card is ready for Apple Pay, and now you will be able to use this card. So that is basically how you add a card to your Apple Pay or your Apple Wallet. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.